Okay, here we go. I guess I don't know how excited I should be about this. Oh my God! Lamarr Wilson. How you doing? Good to see you. Lamarr Wilson here. Back for another video. Back for another unboxing. I'm not here. Like I'm away dealing with family stuff. But through the magic of editing on the road, I'm here. I don't know what this is. Like, so I don't. This video may not even go up. This random product came in. I mean, package. And I was like, okay. There's some clues here, but I have no idea. It says Head Start. I'm like, did a pre-K system send me this? I'm like, is this preschool? Head Start, you know, the government program. Hey, I used to work in school. Hey, so I was like, it says BFF mystery pack, and I don't remember ordering anything, but anyway, yeah, this had attention to me in my address that is on my YouTube, so it's not like Lamarr got your address. It's publicly available. It has been for the last 6 years. So how about we just open this and let's see together what this. Sorry, I didn't get you last video, so you knew what's coming. Come on. Okay, here we go. I guess I don't know how excited I should be about this. Oh my God! This company, I forgot a company. This is like a month ago. I said yes to these and then I forgot about it. Was it a month ago? I told Top Pops about these. I asked him, we chat on Instagram sometimes. I was like, should I say yes to this company who wants to send these? And they're, oh my God. This is a DC video now, guys. I have never even heard of this company. They look cool. We'll start with the big guy. This is, oh, there is a Wonder Woman. That better be in this box. I'm just letting you. So, okay, I know I've done Pops videos before, but I'm not married to Pops. I unbox all kind of things. So these are called Ooshies. I've never heard of these. The DC Comics Ooshies Superman vinyl. You know what? Superman trying to fly away. Vinyl edition. So I tell you what I do. Out on the last one, I don't want to spoil the other ones. On the last box, I'll show you the back. And so we'll do that. Now, these are that plastic that hurt. I'm not trying to check up my fingers. I'm gonna be out of town dealing with. I can't be looking all. So we're gonna open these the right way. I know, guys, but like this is that plastic that will jack you up if you do it wrong. So it's hard plastic. I'm not even messing around. So there, I did that. These are adorable Ooshies. Like I have to look this up later. Like. And I'll put the link to where these below, of course. So the company is Head Start. Like these are adorable. Like I can see little kids liking these, but really I can see these being for collectors. Like this is, and it's a hefty. You know, it's not heavy, but it's hefty. And you know they got that you know them black eyes going on. You know, like the other company. Let's see the next one. I knew this was on the top. This one is the Flash. I mean, it's kind of open because I just opened it. So that's the Flash right there, vinyl edition. All right, and, oh, and cool. On the side of the box, it shows you that. I didn't show you the side of this one. Again, I normally would be like, I can't afford to do it because I'm leaving. They're gonna have me at TSA. Why y'all cut up? Come with us. I ain't, no. It's this Flash too. Oh, that is nice. Get my face out of there because you know you don't want to be seeing me. So that's the Flash, and that says these are like I'm almost tempted to put them on a pop shelf because I feel like they fit there. Like there's no rule that says I can't put stuff on there. Now I don't know what's in here because I only saw those on the top. So we're gonna just keep digging. Oh, cool. This is the You better not have looked in the back. This is the movie Batman. So there are a few different Batman. Oh, God. One thing I just realized after I got up, and because I looked down, I didn't know what this video was gonna be. So I just wore a random Marvel shirt. Oops. Clash of the companies. Like the Clash that's back there. You got DC and you got Marvel on my wall. And Nintendo. Who cares? Right? So that's the Batman. So that is what Batman look like. Oh, no, that's Black Man. Here's Batman. Oh God. This one is dope. I like that. Actually, if Wonder Woman's in that box, you're gonna take a seat back. You're good for now. No discrimination into Wonder Woman. I'm gonna count 1, 2. I might have all of these. Cool. Yep. So this one, oh, this is nice. This, guys, this is the Golden Batman. I was really excited to see this one. Golden Batman. I'll show you the side of that, of course. And now this one is sick. All right, so what's the like? Is this Wonder Woman? This happened with the other one where Wonder Woman's the like. I know she's because it's the back, but I'll show you. That's another Batman. Y'all can do a Green Lantern or something. I'm just saying, like 3 Batman, but this is the Silver Age Batman. And I have not read the Silver Age comics, but I am familiar with what he looks like. So there he is. Well, that's the closest we'll get to. Oh, I forgot to do this for the last. Okay, sorry. It's a lot of Batman. I'm glad we did these in order. Like, I've literally just been picking them out the box. That's been pretty lucky. So the last one, of course, is Wonder Woman. She kind of thick. No, I'm just. Well, they all thick, but I'm just like, that's sexist. I wait for the woman to say no, but I'm because that's the one I'm into. I'm just like, hey, she. Okay. Anyway, this is not a family show. I'm a grown man with needs. I'm just saying, families can watch, but I'm gonna say stuff. There we go. So here is Wonder Woman vinyl edition, and I almost dropped it again on the side. You're going in a shrine for sure, because I think there's room for this little. I was about to call it Dorbs. That is Funko's brand, right? This is an Ooshie. Yeah, girl. Woo! I'm just saying, like we're gonna get a close up. I mean, there's the lasso. Look at them black eyes. Okay, I'm sorry. I wouldn't have said that about Batman because I'm not really into Batman like that. But her, woo, girl, you got some. Okay. So there's some characteristics: big feet, over exaggerated thick legs. Not really any booty going on, but that's not what this is about, right? But these look amazing. Wow. Okay, so again, the company is Ooshies. I will definitely put a link to them below. Thank you for sending up. Oh, I was going to show you the back. I wonder if they have other series besides DC, because this says collect them all. So obviously they want you to collect all of these. Okay, so they have quite a few. They have DC Marvel, put them out in seasons. Okay, there's a season 3 DC Marvel. Season 2 was Disney, WWE, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Season 1 was Pixar, Cars, and DreamWorks. So I'm looking at their Instagram. Oh, okay. Okay, I see them. There's a Spider-Man. Okay, guys. There's a Spider-Man. Okay. Ooshies, we're gonna have to talk. I did not know you were a thing till today. And they got Spider-Man holding Spider-Man. Okay, you know what? I'm sorry. It's just like, I love Spider-Man. Oh, they have even little smaller ones like you put on the top of pencils. Okay, so this is another Batman. These are the smaller ones, but they have Penguin. They do have a Green Lantern. Somebody from Green Lantern Corps and another Batman. I'm impressed. I'm gonna follow them. Guys, thanks so much for watching. These are really cool. I will see you again. I don't know when the next video is gonna be, but I'm filming something after this. I just don't know when it's gonna come out. So talk to you soon. Bye!
He's the funniest guy who gets the job done. Likes and how-tos, random bits, so fun. Man, he's so crazy, better pick up his thumb. Lamarr Wilson.